Open your browser and go to the official Autodesk Fusion 360 personal use page. I've added the link in the description. This version is completely free to hobbyists, students, and personal projects. Remember, it's non-commercial only. Before we continue, let's quickly go over what Fusion 360 Personal Use License gives you. It's free for personal non-commercial projects. You can use it to learn, experiment, or make your own designs at home. You must earn less than $1,000 per year from these projects. You cannot use it at work, in a company, or for commercial training. Some limitations apply. Limited CAM functionality, single user data management, limited electronics and PCB design tools, limited 2D drawings and documentation, support is only via forums, and limited import-export file types. Now that we understand what personal use means, let's continue with the installation. Let's click Get Autodesk Download for personal use. First sign in with your Autodesk account. If you don't have one yet, just create a free account. It only takes a minute. After sign in, follow the on-screen instructions step by step to get your download file. Once the download is complete, you are ready for the next step, installing Fusion 360. After the download is complete, open the installer. Follow the instructions on the screen. It's very straightforward. Just let installer do its work and don't close anything while it's running. Once it's finished, Fusion 360 is ready to open. Now open Fusion 360 for the first time. The first launch may take a few minutes, and that's completely normal. Soon you will see the main workspace ready for you to start your very first design. That's it. Fusion 360 is installed and ready. You can now start exploring the interface and creating your first designs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more, and feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Bye!